Assalamualaikum and good morning class. Okay, before we start with prayer first. Amin. Today we will start with integration by trigonometric substitution and algebraics. Before we start, I have to pass the handout first that you have to complete. KWL graphic organizer. K is what you know, W what you want to know, and L what you have learned. So I give you 5 minutes to complete the table. Our syllabus today is integration by substitution. There are two types of substitution, which is first trigonometric substitution and algebraic substitution. What is trigonometric substitution? It is a method for finding antiderivative of function which contain square roots of quadratic expression or rational powers of the form n over 2, where n is an integer of quadratic expression. This is example of such expression are sed 4 minus x squared and x squared plus 1 all power of 3 over 2. What is trigonometric substitution? Substitution convert the respective function to expression in terms of trigonometric function. The substitution is more useful but not limited to function involve radicals. The substitution may be represented geometrically by constructing a right triangle. For the first example, integrate the given function. To solve this question is in the form of the first substitution. Integrate sed 16 minus x squared. So for this example, we have to use x equal to a sin theta. For the sed with the form sed a squared minus x squared. So we have a equal to 4. So we have a equal to 4. 4 come from here, 16. 4 power of 2. 4 cos theta d theta. Substituting and simplifying the square root part first. Sed 16 minus x squared equal to, we solve 16 minus 16 sin square theta. 16 we get this because we factorize this form, so we get this. After we factorize 1 minus sin square theta, we got cos square theta. 16 square root of 16, we get 4. So 4 square root cos square theta. So the answer is 4 cos theta. So guys, do you understand what I have teach just now? For the next step, substitute into the integral givens. Integrate 16 minus x squared equal to integrate 4 cos theta d theta. So we expand the integration. So we get 16 cos square theta d theta. After that we factorize 16 integrate half cos 2 theta plus 1 d theta. So we simplify, we get 8 integrate cos 2 theta plus 1 d theta. After that we solve the integration, so we get 8 bracket half sin 2 theta plus c. So the double angle So we get 8 sin theta cos theta plus c. And then we get 8 bracket x over 4 third 16 minus x squared over 4 plus shift sin x over 4 plus c. So we simplify, we get x square root of 16 minus x squared over 2 plus 8 shift sin x over 4 plus c. Second last steps come from drawing a triangle. So we use the sin theta equal to x over 4. In this case, we can get the triangle to find theta, sin theta, and cos theta in terms of x. Do you understand, class?
Yes.
This is example for next integration. So you guys can learn at home. So we go through to the algebraic substitution. It is a method for finding antiderivative of function which contains square roots of quadratic expression or rational powers of the form n over 2, where n is an integer of quadratic expression. This is for example for number 1, number 2, and number 3. Evaluate the following integral. Examples 1. So what I have teach just now, you just apply it to answer the example. So guys, I will pass you the handout. This is the exercise to you guys. So you have to find your partner to solve this question. So I give you 5 minutes to solve this. After guys you finish the exercise that I have given just now, I will check your answer. before I end the class, I would like to call any of you to make reflection for what we have learned today.
Me, Doctor.
Okay.
For today, I can conclude that I learned on how to use algebraic and trigonometric substitution to find integrals.